My name is Othman. It was supposed to be with the H up front. Ha, man. But both my parents are dyslexic, so, this is what I'm stuck with. It is what it is. They spelled it wrong. And what we're doing here is we're gonna all get together and collaborate and paint, work in teams. It's all about being creative, finding two things that make absolutely no sense together, but you find a way to link them. We're using two colors. The way we're gonna decide them is by asking a simple question. What is the color that in your view represents the company that we're part of? Okay, we got some professionals in the house. So we are gonna add our secondary color now. So our next step is gonna be the power of story. So what humans remember is not things, is not what we say, it's the feeling that we make them feel. And so what is it that we wanna make people feel? What's the mission? And we can take these last couple minutes to add whatever you'd like. Make it yours. But we did a really incredible job, so thank you to everyone.